In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deactivate an Etsy listing in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Deactivating a listing removes it from your shop temporarily so buyers won't see it, but you can activate it again anytime. Now, if you want to deactivate an Etsy listing, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. This is where you control your listings. Next, go to the listings section to view all your products. After that, find the listing you want to deactivate and select it by checking the box next to its name. Now, click the Deactivate option at the top of the page. Then, confirm the action if prompted and your listing will be removed from your shop. That's it. Your listing is now inactive and hidden from buyers, but you can reactivate it anytime whenever you're ready to sell it again.